Hello my friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. I'll explain how to use Facebook app step by step. Today we'll explain how to unfollow friends on Facebook app. Let me show you how can we do that. At first tap on Facebook app icon. Then press on 3 horizontal line which shown on top right. Scroll down a little bit till we get setting and privacy. Then tap on settings. Scroll down a little bit till we get your time on Facebook. Scroll down a little bit till you get more from your time. Then press on newsfeed preferences. Press on unfollow. Here you can find your friend list. You can select whatever you want to unfollow. Let's try to unfollow the first 3 one like this. Just tap. This is the first way. Let's try the second way. Let's go back. Click on this icon. Then press on all friends. Here you can find friend list. If you want to unfollow first one, for example, just press on 3 dots beside this person and press on unfollow. Now you already unfollow this person. Here we reach to the end of the video. In this video we explain how to unfollow friends on Facebook app. That's it. If you find that our content is helpful, you can support us by tap on subscribe. You can also press on bell and tap on all to get notification for all new videos. By the way, if you have any comments, please don't hesitate to write to us and we will do our best to respond to all comments as soon as possible. Thank you for watching and see you in next video. Bye bye.